I sure do wish Bugs was here right now. Too bad. Too bad he's at work. He's never here anymore. Oh, I got a fidget spinner right. Oh my gosh. I kind of found it. I robbed the store. Don't tell anyone. Okay. Rob the store. Promise not to tell that I have a fidget spinner that I stole. Okay, good. You don't tell anyone. Yeah, what's up, guys? C1Lox82 here, but you can call me Lox. Sorry I haven't been uploading, and I know Bugs wasn't in this video, but Garfield was, and I can't find him right now. I'm trying for him as hard as I can. He's at my dad's. So yeah, sorry for not uploading and stuff. And I know fidget spinners aren't that old, but I may as well upload it, you know? The truth is, I didn't actually buy this, I found it. Like literally, I just found it on the street. Isn't that kind of lucky? So, like, subscribe, and post notifications on so you know when I'm uploading, and give me some ideas, okay? And then, you know what, I'm gonna add something new. If you like and post a comment on an idea, you get a shout out, okay? I'm gonna say that, okay? I'll see you in the next video. Bye!